Hello everyone, I'm Adnan. I hope everyone is well. So today I'm going to show you socket programming with Python. So socket is an important module in Python, which will be helpful to find out gather some information about a domain. So let's get started. How you can use socket in Python. So suppose I want to find out information about a website. How can I do it? I can do it in this way. So I will copy this. I'm showing you in easy way. So suppose I want detail about prothomalo.com. It will give me detail about prothomalo.com. And what this is going to do? So suppose So I will try with this one. I'll copy the code and then I'm going to paste it. And then target which one target. Suppose I want information about google.com. Port 80 is open, port 443 is open, port 22 is closed, and it is so this is giving information. So if I want to find out domain name, so an IP address of a website, then I can use these codes. Then what I need to do? I will type this one. Suppose I want information about information about what I need to do. And then I'm going to paste. Suppose I want information about Wikipedia. Wikipedia. And then I'm going to hit enter. So this is giving me IP address of wikipedia.com. Now again, if I want to find out IP address of yahoo.com, it will give me information about yahoo.com. So this is the IP address of yahoo.com. And if I want to find out information about facebook.com, so So thank you everyone for watching the video, and keep watching my videos if you want to